Art is fundamental to our culture, but art also has a secret superpower. Art is something which has this innate possibility or innate superpower to create something very beautiful.
We are here today in Jodhpur to inaugurate this beautiful work by French artist Gaspard Combe.
Gaspard explored Rajasthan, he explored the geological aspects of the stones of Rajasthan, and through his study, this project was informed.
So for us, the partnership with Stonex has been an incredible opportunity to be able to bring the artisans that they work with, the skills that their team have, and the skills of the artist, of course, who design the work as well.
We believe in each other's philosophy, we understand each other's philosophy, and it's very much resonating with our philosophy of being in the space of contemporary stone art.